what's up, Nick? Quick demo video for you for your KR Thrawn hunters. I've got these closed right now. It is quite a bit of, it's not a hassle, but it's a process to get these open. So I'll probably just insert a picture right here to show you what they look like with the doors off. Just like that. Similar to the picture that I sent you when I got done with these, but we're just going to do the demo with them all closed up. But how to get to the board on each of these, right? So this is the panel right here. You'd have to unscrew this little bolt right here, and this whole piece will slide off. And then you also want to unscrew this big guy. And after you do that, this entire panel will come off, and then that's how you get to your board. And it's the same on the other one, but I'll show you that here in a second, okay? These are both installed with Proffies. They've got KR Sabers 24mm speakers in here. You can see the sound venting right here. You've got removable batteries in both of them, but you also have recharge ports. So you got your kill key in here. I will say these kill keys are a little sensitive. You have to find the exact sweet spot for them to work, but they will work. And then also they come with blade plugs. You just want to unscrew it. And once you unscrew that, you've got stock V3s in both of them there. Just like that, right? If I were to turn this off, we can come over here and pull the kill key. These both have the stock fonts on them, and they're set up with simple one-button configs. So I didn't put the config file on the SD card because it's just a simple one, but if you need a copy of that, let me know. I can send it to you. When we take that kill key out and hit the switch, get your LEDs firing up. Hold it down and turn it off. Double tap for your soundtrack. And then double tap again to turn it off. And it's a long press on the button to switch sound fonts. And you can do your blaster bolt deflex like this. We'll turn it off and throw a blade in it. They take 1-inch diameter neopixel blades. Before you put a blade in, you'll want to take your blade extender that's in your box here and just screw it right on. Each of them, so there's 2 in here, right? One for each saber. So you screw that on tight first, and come over here and throw your blade in, and then tighten that guy up. There's 1 blade retention screw on the extender. That's all you need. Just like that. On a 1-button setup, to get blade lock up, just hold the button down and hit the saber at the same time. We'll go another one. And now this is what I meant for the kill key. You got to find the exact spot for it to work, or it's not going to work on you. It's that one right there. So I'll probably end up taping that up. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll crack these open and I'll take the batteries out before I send them because I don't want this accidentally coming on during shipping. Okay. But we'll come over here, take the blade out of this guy. Slide this out. We can use the same blade extender for the other one. And I'll put your blade plug back in real quick. You don't have to worry about the back of the blade plug touching the pins. You're good to go there. So we'll set this off to the side. Get your Shoto, and it's the same way. We'll throw a blade in this guy too. Tighten that all the way down, throw our blade in. Get the blade locked up. Just like that. And then we'll take the blade out of this guy too. So your kit did come with brand new batteries, but they haven't been charged yet. So obviously they'll be in your box, but you're going to want to give them a good full charge before you use them. Okay, and then I'll put your blade plug back in this guy too, so I don't forget it. But that's basically your Thrawn hunters. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I know these are a Mother's Day present, so I will get these out first thing tomorrow morning. All right, thanks.